Jai Hind, dear students. I welcome you all in my geography class. In today's class, we will be studying about the northern plains. In our earlier class, we have studied about the Himalayan mountains. We have seen the divisions of Himalaya from north to south and divisions of Himalaya based on rivers. All these we have studied in our previous class. In our today's class, we will be studying the northern plains. So let's start. Now, where is the northern plains located? Northern plains is located in north of India. So this area is known as the northern plains area. The states which are coming in the northern plains area are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, some parts of Jharkhand, and Assam. So these are the states which are coming in the northern plains. Northern plains, they are also known as Indo-Gangetic plains. Now, the area of the northern plains is 7 lakh square kilometer. So such a vast area is of the northern plains. And when we talk about the length of the northern plains from west to east, it is around 2400 kilometers. The length is there, and when we talk about the breadth, it is around 320 kilometers. And when we move towards east side, the width it is decreasing and it's come down to around 240 kilometers. Now, this northern plains they can be studied by dividing them into three. They can be broadly divided as first one the area between the Indus River and the river that is known as the Ghaggar River. This area is known as Punjab Plain. This is known as Punjab Plain because most of the area it is coming in the Punjab state. Then the area between the Ghaggar River and Tista River, this is known as the Ganga Plains because here Ganga River and its tributaries are flowing. And the third one is this is known as the Brahmaputra Plain or the Assam Plain. So these are the three classification divisions of the northern plains. They are Punjab Plain, Ganga Plain, and the Brahmaputra Plain. Two, three important points are there which we will be discussing. The first one is the Doab. So, what is Doab? Do means two, Ab means water. So the area where two waters are flowing is known as Doab. Suppose one river is there and one more river is flowing like this. The area between the river is a fertile area which is known as Doab. And what is Punjab? Punjab means the area where five rivers are flowing. So in Punjab, you will find five rivers: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj. So these are the rivers which are flowing from Punjab. That is why it is known as the Punjab area. So we have seen the important terms that are Doab and Punjab. When we talk about river Brahmaputra river, it is starting from Tibet and it is coming in Arunachal Pradesh and flowing in Assam and going in Bangladesh. Here in Assam, it is making the world largest island, Riverine Island. That is the Majuli. So Majuli is the largest riverine island in the world. Basically, what is a island? Island is that which is from all the sides it is surrounded by water. Then what is a riverine island? When the river is flowing and when it comes in the plains area, it is divided into streams. Okay, two streams are divided, and here an island is created. These types of islands, which are created by the rivers, are known as riverine island, and Majoli is the largest riverine island in the world. So, dear students, today we have studied about the northern plains and we have seen the classification of the northern plains. In our next video, we will be seeing the divisions of the northern plains based on the variation on relief features. Means the northern plains, everywhere it is not a plain area, there is a variation that we will be discussing in the next video. Till then, take care, thank you, and Jai Hind.